Hey guys, thank you for watching Slappy's Garage. If you haven't seen this bike already, this is my Dirtster I'm building. I have two parts on my YouTube channel, taking this from a frame and motor to where it is now. I have many more coming up. I'm just going to update you right now and tell you what's going on and what took me so long to make another video about it. Okay? So, I was tight on money. I wanted a shovel head, found a deal I couldn't pass up, didn't want to waste my time and hopefully get another deal in the future. So I took my money aside, stopped putting money into this bike, did a lot more side work, and got the shovel head. But now that means I have the shovel head, and this is going back on the bench. I have less financial obligations to go for the next few months, so I'm hoping I can throw my money at it, throw my experience at it, and time at it. So let's get started. For anyone just tuning in, this is my first rough sketch from taking a frame. That's all the additions I was planning on doing to it for the first few videos. This is the frame I started off with. And after my first video, this is where I was at, which is the front end set up with the dirt bike wheel, 19-inch rear wheel, and a spacer for the rear shock. You can really see that gap now, this ground clearance. And after the second video, I actually installed the oil tank from Slim Fabs and a rear fender. So I'm going to give a little clip of this headlight I was going to put on the bike till I saw how hideous it looked. Hey guys, so at first I am planning out my electrical. I need to order a few more little parts, connectors. I have all the wire. I actually can repurpose all the wire from the original harness, but you can see this mess and you know why I don't want to run this. Just the harness wire and loom alone, without any of the switches, without the coil, without the rest of the electrical necessities, is a whopping 4 pounds that I'm getting rid of. Some electronic components I had on hand was a key switch, the stock coil, Dyna 2000i ignition I had on spare, and then from a TR650 I have a kill switch start button, and this one doesn't have the brake switch going through the loom like the Motion Pro, so I have the brake switch on the stock master now, which is stock Sportster rear brake, stock KX250 rear front caliper, and 2 Brembo masters off a TR650. By the way, this is the TR. I still have the motor and the title for it. I just parted the rest out because I couldn't get the parts to finish the bike in America for a reasonable price. Also, you may have realized the last video I didn't put the gas tank on. I just loosely bolted it, but there's an issue with the GPR stabilizer where it hits. So I have to either modify the stabilizer or the tank. Another project would be the rear sets. So there's a lot more to do than just bolting on a few parts from here on out. So I have to fabricate a set of rear sets, and you figure out how I'm going to mount my master and everything that goes with these custom Harleys where you have to figure out, design, and build. If you haven't already, watch the 2 previous videos of actually putting this bike together. There'll be much more to come in the near future. And if you haven't already, go down, like and subscribe. Give me a reason to want to do these YouTube videos.
Bro, pick up my fucking bike! The Dirtster is supposed